Welcome to this Dell Technologies support video. Today we walk you through troubleshooting data domain network interfaces. Before we begin, ensure you have SSH access to the data domain system and appropriate administrator privileges. If any interface is down after a DDoS upgrade, then it is highly unlikely it is due to a hardware failure. Identify the interface issue. Start by identifying whether the issue affects a single interface, multiple interfaces, or a bonded group. Use NetShow hardware to check the hardware interface status. Next, check for current and historical alerts to identify any related events by using Alerts Show Current and Alerts Show History. Review interface configuration. Use the NetShow settings command to determine if the interface is a part of a bond, VLAN, or alias. If the interface is not in a bond, try disabling and re-enabling it using net disable and the interface name. Then net enable plus the interface name. In our case, it's ETHMD. Check physical connections. Verify that cables and SFPs are properly seated. If possible, swap cables or ports to isolate the issue. Troubleshoot bonded interfaces. If the interface is part of a virtual bond, disable and re-enable the bond by using net disable and the virtual interface name, then net enable plus the virtual interface name. Try to remove and re-add the interface. Use net failover DEL, the virtual interface name followed by interface and the interface name. Then add the bond again by using the net failover add, virtual interface name followed by interface and the name of the interface. If it's an aggregate interface, use aggregate instead of failover within the commands. After performing each step, verify the interface status again using NetShow hardware. If the link status is yes, the interface is up. If the issue persists after following all steps, refer to the Dell Knowledge Base article 219757 for more in-depth troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching.